You only get one chance to make a first impression in your new position. So, how can you start off on the right foot and establish yourself as a leader? These 3 things will help you during that transition period. First, check your ego at the door. Yes, you should believe in yourself. Self-confidence is vital to leadership. But remember, leadership isn't about you. It's about the people around you. You need them to help you succeed in your position. Internalize that, and then act that way with your team or employees. Before you start your first day in the new position, take a moment to put yourself in your team's shoes. What would you value from a new manager on their first day? Second, accept that people are going to test you. This often isn't a sign of insubordination. They want to know what your standards are, if you're consistent, and if you apply them to everyone. If they're your former peers, they want to know whether authority has changed you or your relationship with them. People need fair boundaries if they're going to trust you. This means stating your expectations and applying them consistently. Trust must be earned, and it isn't always earned quickly. Third, never make decisions in anger. That's what bosses do. It's part of ruling by fear, which is what you want to avoid. And if you do it on the first day, you establish that you're not going to be fair. Avoiding these common mistakes takes effort and intention, and you will have some hiccups. Everyone does. When you do, acknowledge them, deal with any negative effects right away, and demonstrate going forward that you've learned from them.